Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for checking out Backwoods Grill. Today we're going to be taking two of my favorite foods, some nachos and a cheeseburger, and combining them into a nacho cheeseburger. So drink a beer and let's get grilling. Alright guys, so now we're ready to build this burger. So the first thing we're going to start with is adding some smashed avocado to the bottom bun. Then our patties. I'm going to slap some tortilla strips on here. Take some nacho cheese. And then some pico. Alright. Smash that crown on there and there it is. Alright guys, so remember, smash that like and subscribe button. And here we go, let's take a bite. That is the ultimate munchie burger. Delicious.